we've had to ditch the car. No one else has been brave enough. I'll start again. Here we are, and welcome to Malham. Yeah, you can't see much. Forecast, snow, tick. Forecast, fog, tick. Forecast, car going up the hill. No. And as I predicted and said on the group, Mally Photography, workshops and meetups, we were going to struggle in the snow and ice. So we've parked down there and we're hiking up to the tree. We've got Jackie, Liam, Mike and Ivor, who's come all the way from Durham. Wow. So we best get to this tree and quick, or else he's going to be shoving his tripod where the sun doesn't shine. We're waiting for sunrise. Right, so we've made it to the lone tree, and it's, conditions are crazy. It's foggy, and when I say foggy, I mean I can't see the road from here. Can't see anything, you can only just see the tree. So sunrise is happening in about 10 minutes, and it's going to rise behind the tree, but we ain't going to see it. We're not going to see that today, but for me now, I'm quite pleased with this. Fantastic conditions. Let's all have a hell yeah. What do we think, fellas? Whoa! Buzzing. We've had ditched the car, as I told you. Conditions were a real shock because just down off the hill there's no snow. Up here it's about 3 inches. It's a fair dusting, you know, it's pretty cool. Right, so I'm going to leave you. I'm going to get set up, have a see what everyone else is. The beauty of this is, because the conditions are like this, there's only us mad dogs and Englishmen come up here for do it. Got the place to ourselves. Right, SITHEE. So this is making for some fantastic shots from everyone. It's the great conditions, but the fog's so thick. They're gonna be mono. You're gonna see mono images for the next 2 weeks on the group. You're just gonna see just nothing but mono images, but it's so striking with the contrast against the fog. And believe me, it's getting foggier. Look at that. Yeah, that's crazy. So it's a year, almost to the day, that I did my first vlog. And we've come back to the place where I did it, Malham Lone Tree. And I couldn't ask for more. Great people we're with again. The group regulars, and Ivor, who I mentioned before, has come all the way from Durham. Unbelievable. And yeah, I'm a bit took back by it because these conditions are just fantastic. Here we go, we finally got here. This is Carl.
How do you do?
We're in Malham, parked up, honesty box, putting me jinglies in. All's good with the world. We survived the hill, we saw the tree, we came, we saw, we
saw
kicked
the
it.
tree.
Well, yeah. Tim just roaring our way to Janet's Foss. Fantastic turnout. Look at this. Take the notice of the people behind me. They seem to have a problem with the countryside. The fresh air has an effect on the faces and the heads. Turns them into small little alien beings.
Should be alright.
Black and white.
Yeah.
We're here again with senior management, Tim.
Senior management. Hello.
And behind me we've got Joseph and Carl, second in command. Hold on, tricky fence coming up, I've got to think.
And then push it this way.
That's it.
And then go through.
Well done, thanks Joseph. What would I do without him?
Mine's throw the pack over.
You can't f***ing up more than I already have done. Me just doing this. See this?
Do not put this.
David has lost a lot of weight, as you can see, he's svelte, but he can't get through the kissing game.
It's because I'm equipped. I'm equipped.
I'll only put a bit of that in, honestly. Hey up, we've been joined by St Helens crew. SITHEE. Behind me here we've got Neil. And Neil.
I'm not Neil.
No, that's mate, he's not from St Helens. He's got... Hey up! Hey up! The wild bunch is here. I actually still got a meet-up here as everyone fecked off. So we've been walking slow, taking compositions and thinking, you know what you normally do. And everyone went off like a bullet. Boof! I'm going to waterfall! Anyway, I think we found him. I best shut up and go fall on my arse. Would you believe it? They're here. Finally. Hi Mike. Alright.
Yeah,
You didn't do too bad.
No.
Hey, look at that. Perfect trainers there. Right, it's gone. Let's go and have a walk around there, right, man? Thought we'd lost you. There's too many compositions.
Well, I was snapping away coming up. It's only when you got here I thought, I've got Jackie's tripod in my back pocket.
Oh yeah. Here we are, Janet's floss.
Floss?
Put my teeth back in. Janet's Foss. Cracking turnout. Here we go. I think we'll just have a little walk around and talk to people. Start with this gentleman. He's been up Malham Cove today. What's your name, sorry?
My name is Thorsten.
Oh, yeah, Foss, yeah. See, it's different when you're online. You look completely different.
Slimmer, I guess.
No, nothing like that. You just look different. You have a beard, haven't you, on the picture? A little bit of beard.
No, more like a shadow, I think.
Yeah. Thank you very much for coming along,
Oh,
Thorsten.
no, it's my pleasure.
Oh, lovely.
It's very nice to meet you in person.
Very nice to meet you too.
Right.
An absolute pleasure. You've come a fair way, haven't you? Whereabouts have you come from?
I came from Diggle in Saddleworth this morning.
On to the side of Manchester, yeah, I know what you mean. Glossop that way.
That's right,
Yeah. Oh, you've done well, get here then.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Made up. Oh, look at this. Right, I think we better get set up and get some shots, really. Are you taking some? Have you already done it? Have you already nailed it? It's Brian, isn't it?
Yeah.
Brian's already done it. Yeah. Brian's been done, kicked his ass. He's off one now for a bait and butty. Yeah. Oh, we went to the top of Malham Cove and got this shot.
It's like a,
On his phone, fantastic.
like a vein leading out into the landscape.
Yeah, beautiful. We went to the Lone Tree. These guys went to Malham Cove. I think I'll be going back there. Although I've been before, but the conditions today are fantastic with the snow. Here we are, Tim, our Chief Advisor of Environments and...
You know your mic's not plugged in.
That's a good point, man. So what do you think of today, Tim? Let's have your little bit
It's been nice. It's
so far.
It's quite nice to camp somewhere and wake up and feel refreshed and not half asleep as well.
You look better for it, yeah. Right, I think we'll have a little walk round, talk to
I'm not really
everyone.
impressed by Janet's Foss, though, I've got to be honest.
Are you not? I love
I've been
it,
meaning to shoot it for ages, but
Have you never been?
I prefer the surroundings rather than the
Do you know
ball
what
itself.
Yeah, I agree.
And the colour down there.
So many other photographers.
Wait till we get Gordon.
I blame them YouTubers.
I know, yeah. What do you think?
About what?
Photography.
It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's not
That'll
bad.
do. There's the interview done. Belting. No, you enjoy yourself. It's turned out nice.
It's lovely.
I love it. Look at that. Belting. I'm getting them looks. You know them looks of I'm going to shove that camera where the sun doesn't shine. Them kind of looks. I'm sensing this kind of feeling of, if you don't put that camera away now, you will become Janet. So I think we'll turn it off for a bit and try and get a composition myself with this rabble who are all at best places. SITHEE. So we're going to say goodbye to Janet's Foss. The queen of the furries has graced us for quite some time. We've got some great compositions. I haven't really got anything fantastic today. I've just really enjoyed being here. Alan's got a fantastic shot. Jackie's nailed some long exposures I've seen. Liam's been doing some fantastic shots at side of water. And I think everyone's really got some great images, so I made up for that. I'll come back here again on my own. I just wanted to be a part of it today and make sure everyone's having a great time. So onwards we go. Come and do another little piece to camera and just round up a bit. So from this morning and sliding down the hill on our way to the lone tree at Malham to here has been one of the best days in a long time. Very inspired by people's photographs, inspired by people just in general. What a great bunch. And everyone's gone. They've all just split off, shooting where they like. There's so much to take in and so many shots to take. I'm going to head over myself and find something, another composition, and I'll be back. What a day. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let's get a shot or two. So here I am, signing off from Janet's Foss, another Mally's Meetup. It's been a fantastic turnout. Without further ado, if you can hear me, I'm just going to send my MPs here. If you've liked what you've seen, subscribe, like, and what else is to say? SITHEE.